Marjorie, darling, darling, I'm on my way. Get ready, here I come. This is Eva, Garden Gallery. Eva has introduced me to so much beauty and to TJ Maxx and Home Goods and these shopping bags. When you finish paying at TJ Maxx or Home Goods, when you walk out, you just see shopping bags hanging up. They're only 99 cents each. And someone creates all this art for these shopping bags. And now for the last year, every season I buy 10, so it's $10 for art that will be in my backyard and framed for us all to enjoy. But it's fun how the artwork complements the flowers and vice versa. And it's so much fun because for $10, you get a big bang for your buck, as they say. And then all the frames have been given to me. I've thrift shopped them. I found them in the alleys when people throw them away. And they take the heat too. And Fritz, my collaborator, he's so wonderful. Like, he'll take the frames and sand them down and spray paint them for me and then help me staple up all these shopping bags. And the kids like them and the adults like them. So welcome to Eva's Garden Gallery. Now you'll see a giant framed art piece called J'adore. Those are letters that I purchased at Hobby Lobby. And then Tim, another creative collaborator, and I took art out of that frame, painted it black, and then put the letters up. So I hope you adore Eva's Garden Gallery. We must put a good word in for Russell, Monsieur Russell, who does all the planting and gardening, my husband. That's his pastime and all the fun that he enjoys. Not everything you make has to go into the center of your table. In this case, we're putting it in the corner of this bar. Director A, tell us a little bit how you put this together.
Okay, so the wire basket was actually a gift of, I want to say 10 years ago. And I used to have these like really pretty glittery gourds that would go into it and like these foliage leaves. No idea where they went, but not with me anymore. So I found these little leaf bouquets over at Walmart for like about $4 a piece. And they have their own foliage. They have some glitter on them.
Love our glitter.
Yes, we do.
Gives it dimension.
Yep. And I kind of just stuck them through the wire a little bit. And these are stretchable, so I can actually manipulate these to go any which way to create whatever look I want. I think this was given to me by a student I had a while back.
Bless
Don't remember.
our home.
Bless our home.
I love that.
And then I had a scarf that I found in one of my boxes that I totally forgot I had. And then Gigi supplied some of these little apples and pear and fruits. And of course, Coco just had to be part of the party.
Yes, darling. We had to have a Chanel pumpkin.
Yes, we did. And so we just put it in the corner, had it standing. It's actually leaning against another little ornament of the bar.
My sister gave me that for my birthday, but see, it works right in with holding the corner piece up. And so coming and going and forward, everything looks great. That's another thing to consider.
So it's almost like a little cornucopia spill, if you will.
Cornucopia, get it?
Cornucopia. That's what we're going to call this.
The cornucopia.
The cornucopia.
My sister Marianne found me this wonderful cash bow, and it was white. And Fritz spray painted it gold for me. And then I had a crown of sunflowers for a party I gave. So I just took the crown and made it the base of this arrangement. And then the figurine was a gift. And Fritz also spray painted that gold. And then holding that up is a crystal bowl. And Lala took all the flowers off a gift I gave her and made it into a bouquet. So we combined like 4 different things together to make one centerpiece. And that will be our Thanksgiving centerpiece.
Okay, so I got these cute garlands off of Amazon. And I really love pink for fall. I know that sounds crazy, but I'm a pink lover, I admit it. And instead of orange, I found pink pumpkins. And then I found these adorable pink pom-pom garlands. So in the spirit of fall, I have done pumpkins, but I mixed my pumpkins. So I ordered these pumpkins and they were plain white. And my daughter and I painted them pink and orange. And I have another set of pumpkins that I want to show you now. I also have these pumpkins, which are super fun, and I just love the idea of different textures. And these are velvet pumpkins. These also came from Amazon. So these, all the pumpkins, everything you see here came from Amazon today. I did also want to use these 3 candle holders. And so what I plan to do is just kind of put those around this wooden bowl. And I like how they're sort of rustic. And so what I'm going to do is put the bigger pumpkins are going to be on the candle holders. And then I'm going to mix some of the pink pumpkins with the orange and just kind of go randomly. And then maybe even some of the whites in here as well, and the golds. And just keep piling them in until you're satisfied with how it looks. I think that might be a little better.
I like the different textures.
Me too. I think that makes it look. Then with these, I felt that they could just kind of go in between. You don't want to see the string on the back.
Texture again.
Yes, and you've got
playfulness.
Yes, and with kids in the house, it's fun.
Exactly right.
And then these can just kind of go around and through and however, and you know, arrange it to your heart's content.
Yeah.
And this can kind of come up and over.
Kind of connects everything.
There we go. Put another orange one in front somewhere. There we go. And that's just going to go right in the middle of my table for my fall centerpiece. Thanks for joining. We hope you guys do a fabulous job of creating your own centerpieces.